Yes, sir. Y'all know what that is? That new guacamole. Sizing up the putt. He's getting ready to make his first cast with the key lime sky with the crappie nibble. His technique is flawless. He's winding up.
Crowd gets quiet.
He makes his first slingshot. He's right in the pocket, people. He's in the pocket. We're going to see what these crappies are going to do. We're going to see how they react to his bait as it falls through the crowd of crappie. See if we can pick off that big Shirley off the top, because we know she's always hungry. She's always looking to eat. He's letting out a little bit of line so it can fall a little bit faster, a little bit deeper.
Because he likes the long ball to go deep.
He's casted out a ranger, hoping to come back with one of those strangers. And as usual, he is hooked up on his first fish. First cast, one shot, one kill. Into the netter.
It should be.
He does not need a net man,
but
people.
He's playing with the camera.
Boy. That's what we be looking for. Now that's flawless technique right there. One shot, one kill.
Showing off for the camera.
And it's almost a Shirley. That's a decent sized fish right there, boy. No, I don't have the cooler with the measuring stick on.
Back kind of thick there. Make for a nice fillet.
A nice double fillet.
Put a little Cajun seasoning on there.
Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper always would.
Yeah.
Hey, caught him on a swim by. Yes, sir.
Like on training day.
This is fun.
Right.
He might behave, babe.
I see it.
Oh, what is that?
Striper. I'm gonna catch him too.
Oh my God. Bro.
Come here.
Good catch, boss.
You can't get away from me.
Bro. Did you see that big old fish?
That was a striper. You ain't see that?
Yes. Bro. You saw me hesitate to see what he was finna do.
You know what he was finna do.
Bro.
He was finna eat.
Good grief, that was a big fish, boy. Hey, did I say we was gonna get a Shirley out of here?
We almost didn't.
Yeah. Oh!
So, the camera didn't catch this, but...
Can you say net man?
It was a huge striper following it, so he slowed down to see what the striper was gonna do.
Yes, sir.
And then when the striper swam away because he saw the net, and he saw us two big fellas.
The crappie got off.
The crappie got off, but he was tired of running and he was laying on his side. So
yes, sir.
I just helped him out a little bit.
Net man.
Helped him in the boat a little bit.
Thank you, bro. Get in there, Dad. I heard.
Oh.
I'm gonna put my Bluetooth in real quick. Oh, boy. That's a netter. No, it's not. Yeah, we out here, we're on our last two spots. We already done went groceries. We don't caught groceries. Now we on the hunt for the Shirley.
just had. I don't know. you supposed to ask me how many I got in. How many we got in the live well? We got enough well. Sir, we get ready to get up out of here. Ready to go. Somebody done popped out the mountain. Getting ready to roll. Somebody swimming with my god doggone joint. Swing. Unless you feel like cleaning a bunch of these. Oh, that's a nice size fish though.
Yeah, that's going to my man's.
Oh, okay. Your man's in there. Boy,
I seen you double pump too.
yeah, because you threw me off for a second there. Boy,
He pump faking, ain't nobody at the rim.
I know, right? Man, shoot your shot. One of these going in the live well. That was too much work. Let's see.
He got that little smell on him too.
Smell himself. Yep.
A little musky. All right.
No.
Look,
I wasn't gonna do it twice.
I was thinking about doing it once. I saw you almost.
Double header.
I saw you almost hoik yourself. Pump faking. That's what Charles Barkley said. He knew when it was time for him to get out the league. He was pump faking. Wasn't nobody around.
Right. Came up with his mouth open. Oh, he's a little bit bigger.
He said, "Don't go yet."
Don't leave, don't leave. We still here. Give me my nipple back, pump.
That's a good set.
Yeah, give me my nipple back. I got you. You way up top. You too far up top. Good zoom back. That's a bulk. That's a bulk.
Yeah, it is.
Bulk.
Take your base.
Ah!
Take your base. He was playing with it.
Come here. You played with it one too many times, girl. One too many times. Ray is attempting to fill up the live well on his own today.
Putting the team on his back.
In the tree.
Hey, yeah.
Like that.
Hey, yeah.
Bleep, bleep.
I believe you.
I believe you.
If I catch a matter with this one, it's gonna feel like
A monster.
a catfish.
Look at him. Like, somebody's here picking us off one at a time.
catch a couple fish, then you can coach. I turned into a coach.
Real quick.
When my daughters was young and they would go fishing. There it go. He when
He's a swinger.
whichever one of them catch a fish first, they would tell the other one, "Oh, you gotta do it like this. You gotta do it like that."
AC on the board. Look at it. There it is. Hit her.
Keeper. We rolling?
Yes, sir. We rolling. We live.
We rolling, baby. We rolling.
That bad right there.
I gotta get used to, since we skipped out of work. Well, we didn't skip out. We got finished early. I'm fishing with Anthony's gear.
CMI rigs, man.
Right, CMI rigs. And what do we name this one?
That's Key Lime Sky.
Key Lime Sky. It's a nice buck graphic jig pole. Got nice action to it. I actually got some of these. Ain't never used them.
Right off the top of that tree. Hey, you swinger.
This rod and reel set too much, I'm gonna take it home. You see how I have to check that.
Oh, your rod and reel.
Gotta say something politically correct.
No homo, granddad. I know what. I have to switch out to the Key Lime Sky. The sky is falling. Yes, sir. 41 of them things today.
Them thins.
Not bad for a quick day on the water. Hell no. Yes, sir. Couple of Shirleys. Big time. Can I get some light bulb? So, remember, you cannot catch them from the couch. Really?
I'm the light guy.
You fired. You cannot catch them from the
Shine a light like that.
You cannot catch them from the couch. So get up, get out, go fishing.
What he said.
Get up!
Hold on. It's almost Halloween. Get up.